Alright, hello buddies, Zema FX. Okay, before starting the forex market, the first thing you need to do and need to know is how to navigate TradingView. Okay, so I'll be teaching you guys how to navigate TradingView today. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do once you head over to your TradingView account, okay, you can search for the currency pair you want to trade on. You can search for the currency pair. Let me say you want to trade on USD JPY. You just click on the search button up there and then search for USD JPY. You can choose any broker you want, but I prefer forex.com. Okay, so you click forex.com and you will see it here, and then you just get into it. Okay, so this is it. All right, so this is it. Now the first thing you're gonna do, you need the tools to mark out every structure in the market. Okay, you will need tools to mark out every structure in the market. So we're going to use those tools now. Okay, now first thing first, you can look from this spot of the market. From this part of the market, you would see a pencil button here. Click on that pencil button, then you would see different tools you need to use. Okay, let me bring out the tools for you. These are the important tools you will need in the forex market to analyze charts. The trend line, you will see the trend line, the arrow, the info line, the horizontal line, the fib retracement line, the brush, the highlighter, the path, the rectangle, the text, long position and short positions, the forecast, forecast and date and price range is not actually needed. Forecast, date and price range with ghost feed is not needed for beginners. Okay, these are pro users that can use this, but the ones you should focus on is the trend line, the arrow, the info line, horizontal line, fib retracement, brush, highlighter, path, text, rectangle, long position, short position, and price range. Okay, so these are the tools you should need. You can add them to your favorites. If you want to add a tool to your favorite, let me add Ray to my favorite. You just hold on it and you see add to favorite. You just click on the star and it will be added to your favorite. As you can see, it has been added here. Okay, let me take it out because it's not needed in my favorites. All right, so once you've got all this, now we will start with the arrow line. The arrow will start with the rectangle. Okay, the rectangular tool, which is this. This is used to state out a market structure. Okay, so that's something like this, a market structure. Okay, so this is a market structure. Then the trend line tool is used to know the market trend, if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. We can look from this. It is what? On the downtrend, right? You can also use the trend info to also spot out change of character and break of structures. Like here now, we have a break of structure. Okay, let me show you guys. We have a break of structure right here. So you can use it to mark out break of structures. Okay, and also change of characters in the market. So that is what you can use this tool for. Then we have the part 2. Okay, we have the arrow. This can be used to show directions of the market movements. If the market is supposed to move, like I want this market to move from this spot up to this spot and then pull down, you can use the arrow tool as an example to show that once the market gets to this point, it should pull down like this. So the arrow tool is used for this. Then let's head over to the path tool. Okay, if you want the market to move something like this, if you are planning to market to move upward to this spot, down to this spot, upward here, downwards, make a retracement, and then move downwards, then you use the path tool, which is used like this: up movement, downward movement, a retracement, and then an impulsive pullback down. Okay, same way to identify an uptrend movement also. So this is the use of the path tool if you want to show. Then we have the long tool and the short tool. If the market is supposed to move upwards, as you can say, and you want to take profits from somewhere around this spot up to this spot, want to take profits from here up to this spot, from this spot rather up to this spot, okay, then you can use the long tool. This is the long tool, which at first you would need your rectangular tool to sort out your demand zone, which is here. From here, sort out your demand zone. Now, then you use the long tool to sort out your entry points and your stop loss and your take profits. Okay, so this tool would help you sort out your entry, your stop loss, and your take profits. Now, once you've done this, you move it to the spot you want your take profit to be, which is at your supply. Okay, then your stop loss should be a little bit below your rectangular tool. Okay, now you can see you're having 26 pips stop loss and over 65 pips take profit, isn't it? 26 pips stop loss and 65 pips take profit. You can look at it here. If you look up here, you see it. 65 pips take profits and what? 26 pips stop loss. Then this is your entry point. Okay, this is your entry point. Now you're expecting the market to move this way. You can use your path tool to show the market to move like this, get to this point, and make a retracement to this point. Okay, and then move up to your take profits position. Okay, so this is what you expect of the market. Same thing, you want to make a short position analysis. Same thing, you use the short down tool. If you want the market to move from this spot, from your supply to your demand, okay, you want to sell the market, you use also your short down tool. You make your entry at this particular spot, set your take profits to the zone you want, then you set your stop loss above your rectangular tool, a little bit above your rectangular tool. Now you have what? 30 what? This is 31 pips stop loss and 66 pips take profit. Okay, then you can, this is your entry point, this is your entry point. You can enter the market from here. You get? So that is just it. These are the tools you need in the market. Then if you want to inform someone concerning what you expect the market to do, you can use a text tool. You can see the text tool. You can just write a text message in this box. Maybe you want to show someone that this is a demand zone, this is a supply zone. You can just write a text message here stating that is a demand zone. Okay, so demand, stating a demand zone to the user. Now you can see it is being shown there that is a demand zone. You can also show the person here is a supply zone if you want to, that there is a what? Supply zone. Now this is to show someone and to make the person clear on whatsoever the person is looking at, supply and demand zones. So these are the tools you need to use in your trading view to start analyzing the markets. All right, have fun guys. It's Ima FX again.